All right. Let's go. Boss up, baby. We back with another one. Real quick, want to get into it. No long talk, no long intros. Make sure you hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, because I'm always here to help you find these courier gigs, gig apps, and ways to level up out the 9 to 5 rat race. So let's get into it. We got a great medical courier video. I got two companies I want to bring you today. First one we got is All Med Express. Yes, All Med Express. They are based out of Florida, but they do have positions and opportunities and for independent contractors. Now, what I mean by independent contractor, that means you are the business or you can be a sole proprietor, but typically they want you to have a LLC and they hire you as a 1099 contractor. You're not hired on directly. You have to be responsible for your own taxes, your own deductions, your own vehicle, your own maintenance. Everything is on you. They put the responsibilities on you, and typically you do have to have a certain level of insurance. Now, the insurance does not have to be commercial insurance, but it has to be commercial level insurance. So, but if you do sign up as your business and you do get a vehicle under your business, then you will have to get commercial insurance. But if you use your personal vehicle as a business, then you can just use your personal vehicle insurance. But it has to be a certain level. But let's see the all the places and positions they have right now. So we got Columbus, Ohio, Little Rock, Arkansas, Massachusetts, Connecticut, Virginia, Hoover, Alabama, Ashland, Virginia, Melbourne, Florida, Fairmont, West Virginia. I've never seen a West Virginia on any of these videos, so that is new. That is actually new for real, for real. All right. And let's see what they got going on in Fairmont, West Virginia. So it takes you to Indeed, and that's how I find this company. Indeed. So if you're not already on Indeed and have an account, which you can get alerts sent to you, so you can be the first one to know about these companies that are hiring, then you are slipping. And so upwards to 250 miles one way, Fairmont, West Virginia. It said own courier business or will start your business. So they are requiring you to start your own LLC, night shift, evening shift, Monday through Friday, and weekends if needed. So it's not too bad. Don't really say pay. So that means you can negotiate your pay. They're going to give you an offer up front. And then you counter and say, hey, what about this? Always ask for a little bit more. But don't be a hard stop to it if they are not willing to give more. If you really want to do this, then be negotiable, be flexible, saying, hey, if possibly if I do a good job within the first 30 days, let's be open to negotiation or let's be open to, making more money. So always be negotiating, always be thinking about getting more money from these companies. So that is all Med Express. You see, if you want to be a contractor, hit on contractors. Drive for us to have an email, have a phone number, as well as you can sign up through Indeed. And they're based out of kind of the Jacksonville area in Florida, but they got opportunities all over. Then next we got Dash Courier. Now, Dash Courier has recently been bought out by Lab Logistics. So they get a lot of lab logistics work, especially in the Augusta area. But let's see what all they do. Mostly medical courier work in the Carolinas, in the Georgia area. But these companies are looking to expand and just because they've been bought out by Lab Logistics, that means you need to go to Lab Logistics website and sign up for them as well, or see if they're in your area if you have not seen your area on any of these two companies, All Med or Dash Courier. A lot of work in the Carolinas, a lot of work in Georgia, a lot of work in Florida and Alabama. But comment down below your city and state. I want to know where you're watching this from. If you do not see your city on there or state, comment down below in the comment section. I will find a company and do a video just for you. Make sure you hit that like, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Until next time, I want to make this video no longer than it needs to be. Boss up. Helping you guys get up out the 9 to 5 rat race. Please go and check out some of the other previous videos I have on my channel. Over 100 videos covering everything from medical courier work, auto parts, gig apps, food delivery, furniture delivery, box trucks, cargo vans, how to acquire one, how to rent one, and places to get them, your whole medical courier independent contract, one-stop resource channel, all here on Boss Up with K. So make sure you hit that like and subscribe. All right. All right. Until next time. Boss up, baby. Go.